Out here, there are no second chances. No towns, no signal, no easy way back. Just rock, distance, and a machine climbing deeper into unforgiving country. This is the kind of place that doesn't care who you are. The clouds build fast, the temperature drops, and the wind turns violent. It hits hard enough to shake the quad, hard enough to make every breath feel earned. See this haunting beauty, my friend. Let the wildness of the land stir your soul. Snow devours the ridges. The wind screams like a legion of devils, throwing the drone every which way. Every frame is war, every shot a fight for survival. This is no postcard. This is raw stone and ice. Cold, relentless, alive. And when the drone holds its ground, look at it, the mountain, unforgiving, majestic, dangerous. Further you go, the deeper the snow gets. Then comes a point where experience matters more than ambition. A steep climb, around a 30% grade, deep snow covering the trail, and I know what's hidden underneath, deep ruts and sharp rock. Push farther, and the quad bottoms out. Then you're stuck. And out here, stuck and turned serious fast. That was the moment to turn back. Not because I wanted to, because I had to. Because far from civilization, a mechanical problem is never just a mechanical problem. One breakdown, one bad decision, one wrong move. That's all it takes. So you ride focused, you ride alert, you ride with respect. Because out here, the mountain always has the final word. And in the end, I have to mention the machine that carried me through all of this. Moments like this remind me why I'm happy with it. Segway AT5L Snarler has proven itself to be reliable when it matters most. To all my fellow riders, stay safe, stay humble, and don't try to impress the mountain. It never cares. See you out there